Alright guys, back in the garage, about to start working on the Integra. It's long overdue. Oil change, valve cover gasket, raise the suspension so I can lose the camber on the front. And obviously need to give it a wash. But, question I have for anyone that is subscribed because of this car. I keep getting oil buildup there. Why? I'm going to change the valve cover and hope that's where it's coming from, but keeps collecting oil there. So is that a common issue? You guys let me know. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and just got a O'Reilly's kit. The valve cover gasket kit. And that's about it. Previous video from this, excuse me, is going to be the Galant with the broken axle. Fixed it. Come to find out, there's more than just the axle that I ended up breaking, but hopefully that'll be the next video after this, so stay tuned guys. There's still more videos on that. And of course this guy, I don't know, hopefully today's what's today's date, 25th of April. I'm thinking the 27th is a Friday of April. I think I'm going to pull the motor. Possibly. We'll see. It just depends. But, yeah. Today's going to be just doing the lovely oil change, raising the suspension. Basic maintenance that I have been pushing off. But, alright guys, stay tuned. I'll be picking up the camera here and there for this little maintenance chore I have. Alright, thanks. Okay guys, I'm going to go ahead and raise the car. You want to loosen this one down, and to raise the car you need to bring this one up. To lower it, it's got to go down. So I'm going to go ahead and raise it up, and to keep track on the keeping it even, use a flathead and count the threads in between. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to raise it. I think I'm just going to try to do 3 threads higher, and take it Friday morning for an alignment to see if they could redo the camber to get rid of it. So we'll see. They said raise the car more to help them on the alignment and to get rid of the camber. And I do have camber kits as well, just the eBay ones, but then again, who knows if they're really adjusting it. But I'm going to raise it anyways and take it back to them. I got the oil draining. It's already drained. And yep, I'm gonna keep going from here. Alright, there goes the gap now, guys. I should have done that before, but you could probably see it in other videos. That's alright though. I don't like camber wear. It's a brand new tires. I already rotated them once, so my bad tires are on the back side. And yeah, they definitely got some wear. But